Time is not a line. It twists, folds, swirls in patterns we were never meant to understand. We call it linear only because our minds are too fragile to handle the truth. But I have seen the truth. I have walked among the ruins of futures that never came to pass. I have heard the echoes of 1,000 versions of myself screaming through the void. They were not all me. Not exactly. But they remembered what I did. And what I failed to do. Somewhere in the silence between seconds, I broke something. A rule, a constant, something that held the illusion together. Now, the walls between time are thin. Thinner than anyone realizes. I feel the memories of events that haven't happened yet. I dream in past tenses of futures that should not exist. And each time I sleep, I wake in a slightly different version of my life. The coffee tastes wrong. The sun rises a little too fast. People remember things I've never said. And forget names I never gave. It started with flickers, split-second overlaps of timelines, like static on an old tape. Then came the gaps. Minutes vanishing, whole days looping without warning. And then I began to see her. A figure in the periphery. Watching. Waiting. Always still. Always silent. She doesn't belong in any time, not really. A shadow stitched between eras. A remnant, or a warning. Maybe both. I don't know who she is. But I know she's looking for something. Or someone. And I think it might be me. They told us time travel would be impossible. They were wrong. It's not just possible, it's inevitable. But not with machines. Not with wormholes or engines. Time bends for the broken. The ones fractured enough to slip between cracks. I didn't build a time machine. I became one. Every regret, every choice I didn't make, every memory I tried to erase, they became doors. And now they don't close. I see too much. I remember too many versions of myself. And in each one, I die a little differently. Some slowly. Some violently. But always, alone. If you're hearing this, it means you're close to the fracture. You've felt it, haven't you? That strange sense of being out of sync. That flicker in the mirror where your reflection moves just a moment too late. It's starting for you. And once it begins, there is no going back. You'll search for answers, for patterns, for logic. But none of it will hold. Time is not a map, it's a maze. And the more you try to escape, the deeper you go. I don't know how much longer I can hold on. Reality slips faster now. The days blur, names fade, languages change mid-sentence. My own voice feels unfamiliar. My hands move before I decide to act. Maybe I'm already gone. Maybe I'm just a message left behind. But if there's any chance someone is listening, remember this: do not look for the woman in the shadows. Do not follow her. She will lead you to the place where all time ends. And once you see it, once you truly understand what it is, you will never come back.